know that the Rolls Royce employees are not allowed to wear makeup and deodorant? The employees can only wear a deodorant which is specially supplied to the staff by Rolls Royce itself. Did you know that it takes 8 bulls to upholster every single Rolls Royce? We all know Rolls Royce cars are some of the most expensive and luxurious vehicles on the planet, but if you buy one, there are some ridiculous rules you must accept. Yes, I mean it is literally ridiculous. Make sure you watch till the end because you are not going to believe how stringent some of these rules can get. Did you know that keeping your car in perfect shape can be not just difficult but also pretty expensive? Especially when your ride has a retractable statue on the bonnet and 12-cylinder engine underneath. Rolls Royce has an annual maintenance price tag of approximately $4,000. Meanwhile, the cost of an oil change alone is around $650. And in case your car needs a change in door parts, that will set you back $600 for each. Speaking of maintenance, don't you ever try to customize or enhance your car anywhere outside Rolls Royce? Now, you might ask why? We'll get to that in a moment. Before that, make sure you drop a like and subscribe if you are new. It really helps the channel and makes our team feel all warm and fuzzy inside, and also motivates us to put together such awesome videos for you. Moving ahead. One of the most popular features that Rolls Royce has is connectivity to the owner's phone. Simple synchronizing offers lots of tools that can make your ride even better. However, the company has one demand linked to this. You must download every update of Rolls Royce's apps simply to get the best out of the car. Aside from this, Rolls Royce demands that you should have a suitable phone. But I don't think that's a problem if you have $500K to buy the car. One of the best implements in Rolls Royce is the SOS system that calls the emergency services if needed. This can get activated by crash sensors and if no response is received from the driver. The emergency services are immediately dispatched. Did you know a special lamp is used while doing the paint job on a car which can adjust according to different global lights to illustrate to customers how their chosen finish will look upon arriving in their home country? Coming to privacy, be prepared to share your car's data with the company. Owning a bunch of the most modern gadgets in your car brings sacrifice, and that is losing your privacy. When you buy a Rolls Royce automobile, you have to be ready to share pretty much everything with the company. Your location, measurements made by car sensors such as mileage or oil status, and check control messages. The company even tracks your battery status, and you have to be ready to change your batteries when you are told to do so. All this data is collected and sent to the Rolls Royce teleservices. And if, by any chance, you want to discontinue the services from Rolls Royce, I can't imagine why you wouldn't want continued support for your luxury car, but if you've absolutely set your mind, the company requires you to formally waive your rights to any assistance in the future. And this will also deactivate the SIM card installed in the vehicle, therefore deactivating the Rolls Royce Assist function. Remember how expensive it is to service a Rolls Royce? Well, another rule that you have to follow obligates you to use only authorized workshops. Also, any unapproved tuning or enhancement is strictly forbidden. This rule is very reasonable, but still, someone might have an urge to customize his Rolls. The violation comes with unpleasant consequences. If you break this rule, you might lose your maintenance support from Rolls Royce and forget about authorized car parts. And trust me, that is the last thing you want to happen. Which one of these rules saved you $500,000? Let us know in the comments. But before ending this video, did you know that Rolls Royce also offers an electric car? Yes. In 2011, the company took a step in a new direction by introducing its first all-electric vehicle, the 102EX. The 102EX was based on the Phantom extended wheelbase model and was powered by a lithium-ion battery pack that provided a range of approximately 150 miles on a single charge. The car was shown as a concept at the 2011 Geneva Motor Show to gauge customer reaction to the idea of an electric Rolls-Royce. While Rolls-Royce ultimately decided not to put the 102EX into production, it was an interesting milestone in the company's history and shows that Rolls-Royce is always looking to explore new technologies and possibilities. With the world moving towards electric and sustainable mobility, Rolls-Royce, being at the forefront of luxury cars industry, has plans to offer electric, hybrid and plug-in hybrid models to its customers in the future, to keep up with the innovation and trends. Make sure you check this video out to know what makes Rolls-Royce most expensive cars on the planet. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this video and learned something new, and we'll see you in the next one.